The parenthood transition, fatherhood. Parenthood is also a major transition in a father's life. His life, the attention that he was getting from the mother, and his lifestyle changes after a new member has joined their family. Fatherhood involves various responsibilities and changes in the way of behavior and thinking and attitudes in a man's life. Generally, we do not talk about the roles and responsibilities and the burden and the lifestyle of a father as a father. The role of father in the development of children is usually overlooked. Although, in our culture, in the Pakistani society, this role has always been very significant and it has been equally important as the role of the mother. But we generally talk about the role of the mother and the attachment of the mother with the children. Fathers are usually seen as the providers of economic resources for the family. Father is the one who provides the financial support to the family. He is the breadwinner. Father is primarily a breadwinner, but his role is peripheral if we look at it, because most fathers spend most of their time at their workplace and they have very little time to spend with their children. Now, whether this time is quality time or not, it depends upon both the parents, mother and the father. But usually, we see that there are many children who do not get enough time to see their father, to meet with him or to play with him, because most small children, when they are asleep, their fathers come back from their work at that time. Fathers are supposed to contribute to moral and spiritual development of children in our culture. In some other cultures, the case may not be so. But here we see that the father has to play the role of a teacher also, directly or indirectly, but he is looking at the moral development of the children. Distance between fathers and children is seen in traditional family styles. We see that in the traditional families, children are more close to the mother and they are at a distance from the father. One of the reasons may be that the mothers or other family members tell the children that they should not misbehave with the father. They should respect the father. They should obey the father. So when we tell such things to children, there is a distance of respect between the father and the children. However, we see in the egalitarian families, the roles of mothers and fathers are quite in balance and harmony. The father shares the responsibility of childcare. They support the mother, they help the mother out in childcare and nurturance of the children. Egalitarian families make it possible that the family is closer to each other and there are strong emotional bonds between the members of the society. So we see that fatherhood does not take place in isolation, and so does motherhood. So both father and the mother have to take the responsibility of the nurturance and care and upbringing of the children together.